Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the flight status in the Breeze Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the flight status button. And first you have to set the date of the flight. And then you have to set the departure and the destination country. Or you can simply just enter your flight number, and by clicking on the search button, you will be able to see your flight status, of course, if it's valid information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.